Hey everyone, are you tired of spending hours cleaning when you could be spending time with your family or simply relaxing? Well, today I'll show you how smart home cleaning devices can transform your chores into magic. Let's dive in. First up, robotic vacuums. These handy gadgets are like having a personal assistant for your floors. They navigate around furniture, pick up dirt, and even handle pet hair. Brands like Roborock and iRobot Roomba make it easy to schedule cleaning from your phone, even when you're not home. Mopping? Forget about it. With smart mops like the iRobot Brava Jet or Bissell Spinwave, you can clean spills and sticky messes without lifting a finger. Just set them up and let the magic happen. Smart air purifiers are a game changer too. Not only do they reduce allergens and pet dander, but they also improve indoor air quality, perfect for families with kids or pets. Brands like Dyson and Levoit have you covered. Even taking out the trash gets an upgrade. Smart trash cans like the Simple Human Sensor can open with just a wave and control odors. It's hygienic, convenient, and perfect for busy kitchens. Now let's talk about convenience. These devices aren't just cool, they're lifesavers. With mobile apps and voice assistants like Alexa or Google Home, you can control your cleaning schedule from anywhere. Imagine saying, "Alexa, start the vacuum," and watching it go to work while you relax. While these devices might seem pricey up front, they save money over time. No more hiring cleaning services or wasting energy on inefficient cleaning, plus your home stays consistently clean with minimal effort. Smart cleaning devices can truly transform your home and your life. Say goodbye to endless chores and hello to more quality time with your loved ones. Ready to make the switch? Check out the top recommendations in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech tips and tricks. See you next time.